el de Australia y Nueva Zelanda. Llegan a Astorga, el de Australia y Nueva Zelanda. Van para Santiago, por el camino de Santiago, va el de Australia.
Like naughty children, we sneak out of Grañón at the crack of dawn, ignoring the call to breakfast and anticipating a hot day ahead.
Hola. Buen camino. Buen camino.
Belorado was first licensed as a town market by Alfonso I in 1116, and they're getting ready for a medieval fair today.
And here's the walking we trained for. 30 kilometres in 30-degree heat. But cool water fountains and an afternoon breeze made it bearable.
We find ourselves in a lovely 15th century former pilgrims' hospital and refuge. It's now a reasonably swanky hotel with an albergue attached. We treat ourselves to a private room and our first private bathroom since we started, and you've no idea how much we love it.
Ironically, the only way to our room was through a very stinky pilgrim's dorm.
And normally that's where we'd be.
Another typical Camino breakfast.
In fine surroundings. We love the shade and the trees on this beautiful climb, but this was once a scary and dangerous route for pilgrims who were frequently beset by bandits.
There's one now. There was a lot of butterflies that day.
Is it good luck if they land on you? One landed on me.
While you're having a wee.
Well, a woman's got to do what a woman's got to do in the wild. The Monumento de los Caídos is a sombering site marking the graves of 300 or so people who were executed during the Civil War. An inscription reads, "It hurts those that silence hides."
For some reason I've got just this thing about walking through pine forests.
We took a very minor and otherwise pointless detour off the road just to walk on this Roman bridge. But do you remember the French guy when we showed him what we were looking at?
He scoffed at us.
History.
There's so much history here.
In fact, our next stop is Atapuerca, home to the archaeological dig where they've discovered Europe's earliest human remains. Remains? People. Things. 1.2 million years old anyway, people. It was Sunday, it was siesta.
And nothing was open.
We thought we weren't going to get a meal, so we panicked and went to a place that was otherwise out of our league. Chef served us, told us all about the food, and we had one of the most memorable meals of our lives.
And drank too much, and we were asleep by 5:30.
We start off with a steep climb to splendid views from the Cruz de Matagrande at 1,080 metres. The outskirts of the city are often industrial, which some pilgrims don't like, but we find it fascinating.
It's like walking through people's daily lives. You walk in, have a quick look, and then walk out again.
Burgos Cathedral, an awe-inspiring and exhausting display of incredible beauty, architecture, artistry, as well as immense power, wealth and patriarchy.